Amazon KDP for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to publishing your first book on Amazon. Hi, I am Subha and I am really excited to announce the launch of my Amazon KDP course for beginners. It's a beginner-friendly guide that will help you create and publish low and medium content books on Amazon. What is included in this course? Inside you will learn Module 1, KDP Kickstart, how Amazon KDP works, setting up your KDP account correctly, understanding KDP guidelines and common mistakes, trademarks explained, how to check them safely, KDP trim sizes, bleed and margin made simple. In the second module, you will learn KDP niche research, how to think about niches the right way, KDP niche research fundamentals, finding book ideas using free tools, and also finding book ideas using paid tools to validate demand and competition, avoiding saturated or risky niches. Then is the book creation module, understanding book interiors and formats, useful resources for interior creation, creating a letter tracing book interior in Canva, designing a simple book cover in Canva as well without having any design experience. In Module 4, you will learn publishing your book step by step and making it live on Amazon, writing a title, subtitle and description, adding keywords and selecting categories, pricing your book correctly, and finally submitting it for review. Who is this course for? Beginners who want to start with Amazon KDP, anyone interested in low and medium content books, side hustlers looking for a simple online income skill, creators who want a clear process, not a hype. What you will get: step-by-step video lessons, practical examples and walkthroughs, downloadable resources, lifetime access to the course, learn at your own pace and revisit lessons anytime. What is not included? No get-rich-quick promises, no expensive tools required to start, no complicated theory. This is a practical beginner course focused on helping you publish confidently on Amazon KDP. If you are ready to publish your first book, then there will be a link in the description below. During the launch, you will also get 30% off for YouTube people only. You will see a coupon code already applied at the given link in the description, YouTube 30. Next 20 people get 30% off on this beginner friendly KDP course that will teach you step-by-step process, and it will take you from point A to point Z. It is a step-by-step process to create low content and medium content books. It is no fluff, to the point course, and I will be adding more modules going forward so that you can continue learning on ongoing basis. Do check out the link in the description. It's 30% off for the next 20 people. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.